Hi everyone, Josh May from Riccar. We're excited to talk about the new Riccar Spirit vacuum in the Riccar lineup. This product we design, engineer, and assemble here in Missouri. This is a great product and we're going to start right at the top and work our way down and show you all the cool features that it has. So right here at the top we have an ergonomic handle. So it's designed to hold and grip, but also to rest and relax your hand when you're vacuuming. So it's got a nice, good feel to it. In addition to that, here's our cord release. So we can take off the cord here, and I'm going to go ahead and just plug this thing in so you can see some of the things that it has. Okay, so when we turn on the vacuum, that light there will go green. Okay, that's indicating that we're powered up. That lets us know that it's on. Switch is in the handle, which I love. A lot of vacuums have switches on the sides or down on the bottom that you have to step on. People maybe hear the phone ring or the doorbell ring. They want to be able to quickly turn off their vacuum, so the switch is right there in the handle. Also, you have a good rubber flex hose stretching here with a telescoping wand. Okay, so if we want to reach high and use the wand, we've got a good telescoping wand. Right here on the side of the machine, we have our full bag indicator, okay, or a clog indicator. So if we clog the vacuum or overfill the bag, that light lights up indicating that we've either clogged it or overfilled the bag. On the back of the machine right here, you'll see that we have suction control, okay? So we can open this valve up and that's released some of the suction. So if I don't want full power, maybe I'm cleaning drapes or blinds or haircuts like mine and I don't want it to have too much suction, I can release that, take some of the power away. Or in some cases, you might have a really thick carpet that may be hard to vacuum because the suction pulls the nozzle down onto the carpet. You would open that up and release that and you would be able to take some of the suction off from the nozzle. So that gives you the ability to adjust your suction power of the machine. All right, so here's our release for our door. As you can see, we have a HEPA filter right here. So the vacuum comes with a HEPA filter and a HEPA bag. One of my favorite things about Riccar products has always been the metal brush roll. You have sealed ball bearings on this roller, rubber end caps to cushion and protect it in the housing. These brushes, there's 4 of them that come around and hit like paddles and create agitation and deep clean your carpets. As these brushes wear down, you can just replace the brush strips. So from a cost of ownership standpoint, you're not going to have expensive brush rolls to replace. You just buy your brush strips. Also on the bottom of here, you're going to see that we have wheels that are rubber foam neoprene. So if you transition onto a hard floor or a surface that you don't want to scuff or scratch, those are going to protect your flooring. All right, so this vacuum has a non-marring white bumper, so it's not going to be transferring black marks onto your white baseboards. The Riccar Spirit is a vacuum that we're very proud of. It fits into our lineup. It's who we are. It's where it comes from. That's why it's called the Spirit. So if you want to know more about this vacuum, check out our website or visit a Riccar retailer near you. So the Riccar Spirit comes with some standard accessories. Number one, you get this crevice tool, which is a long crevice tool. I like this a lot because you can get into couch cushions and down into spaces better than versus short crevice tools. And it's also tapered. So as you go along an edge or a wall, you're not gonna lose the suction by having a flat crevice tool. So that's really nice. In addition to that, you get a natural bristle tool for dust brush, delicate surfaces, and an upholstery tool all in one. This just slides into place and it's mounted into the back of the machine where it won't fall off. There are also optional accessories you can get for different cleaning needs. One of the accessories that fits the Riccar Spirit vacuum cleaner is the soft sweep floor tool. I love this tool. It's got a microfiber pad that's on Velcro here. It's washable, replaceable, natural fibers here. It's scalloped across the front of here, which will show you why that's important. And it fits right on the end of the wand. So if we want to extend this out, use our good flex hose and sweep the floors, we can. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of show you one of the things I like about this. So as you can see, light debris, to heavy debris like that quarter. It's not pushing stuff around, it's picking it up. It's gonna do an excellent job on your hard floors. So if you wanna add this onto your Riccar Spirit vacuum cleaner, you can. Find a Riccar retailer near you or check out our website. Hi everybody, Josh May from Riccar. One of the features on the Riccar Spirit is the way that the chassis is designed and where the wheels are built onto the machine. Traditional vacuum cleaners have the wheels built on the base of the vacuum, which is functional, but it's not quite as nice from a user experience. And what I mean by that is this. If you look at where these wheels are built, they're on the body of the machine. So when I pull my handle back on this vacuum cleaner, all the handle weight continues to stay in my hand. When you pull the handle back on this vacuum cleaner, the wheels are gonna kind of disappear underneath there, which puts more of the weight to the center point of gravity, which is underneath the machine. So you have less handle weight here. Now, when I go and move the vacuums, you'll see this one's gonna have a lot of kind of lateral resistance. You'll see those wheels wiggling. Sometimes as vacuums age, you'll see those even bow out and the brush doesn't drop down as low as it used to. When you use this one, you're gonna see the wheels kind of go, one go forward, one go backward as they go right or left, which takes away that lateral resistance, making it easier to move the vacuum cleaner one way or the other. And because of the way that's designed, you don't have to have these height adjustments on the vacuum cleaner. It's actually a floating head, which will allow it to float to the appropriate height. You don't have to mess around with which height do I need to be on for my carpet pile. So that's a great feature on the Riccar Spirit that you just don't get on a lot of traditional vacuums. Hi everybody, Josh from Riccar. We've been talking about how easy and nice the Riccar Spirit is to use, and we're gonna talk about the handle weight of this machine, because a lot of people will read on a website or on a box the weight of the vacuum, but what they don't realize is where that weight's distributed. Sometimes it might say it's a 16-pound vacuum and the majority of the weight's in your handle. When you're using it, it's not gonna be a positive experience for the end user. So this is a digital fish scale. We're just gonna kind of show you the weight of the handle of the machine, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use these two machines, and we're gonna turn it on here, and I'm just gonna hook into this and we'll read handle weight. This one is, wow, reading about 2 ounces of handle weight, almost zero. Very light in the handle, okay? So that's because of the way this is designed. It's just not gonna give you a lot of heavy handle weight to deal with when you're using the machine. This particular machine is gonna be harder to weigh the handle weight because it doesn't have a looped handle, which is an advantage, right? So if you have a lighter handle weight and a looped handle versus an average handle weight and a non-looped handle, you've got to grip it the entire time. So this one here is gonna be probably similar somewhat in weight, I would guess. Oh, wow. Actually 5 pounds of handle weight on this machine. Okay, so we have 5 pounds, 3 ounces here, and you have to grip the handle the entire time or your handle slip off. This had that 2 pounds of handle weight and an ergonomic handle, so it's not gonna slip off. Huge advantage for the end user when you're using a vacuum and vacuuming for a long period of time. So the Riccar Spirit is a great vacuum cleaner. We encourage you to check it out on our website or at a Riccar retailer near you. Hi everybody, Josh from Riccar. One of my favorite things about Riccar vacuum cleaners has always been their brush roll. This particular roller is designed and engineered to dig and clean carpet as good as anything that you can. In fact, in my opinion, it might be the best for cleaning pet hair out of your carpet. So we put down some simulated pet hair on the carpet, a whole bunch of it, so you can see how well it grabs and digs it out of the carpet. As you can see, excellent product for cleaning pet hair. We highly recommend the Riccar Spirit and that you find a Riccar retailer near you.